Hi there, welcome into my channel. My name is Laurel with the Curated Caravan, and today I'm going to try something new. I got a GoPro a while back, and I really don't know how to use it, but I thought I would try it out here at my local thrift store. The thing is, it's really small in there, so I think I'm going to be probably super self-conscious. So I'm gonna bring it in with me and see if I have the guts to film in here. And if not, I might move on to one that's a little bigger, just to try to just kind of figure it out, you know, because I don't really know how to work it. So because I'd like to do some shop with me videos. Not that I need any inventory, but so anyway, that's what I'm gonna do today. So we'll see how it goes. So I did do a little bit of filming in there, but I am so self-conscious. I don't know how people do it and talk at the same time, because that would really, I mean, I'm self-conscious right now in my car, thinking that there might be somebody around seeing me filming, which is dumb because people do it all the time. And, you know, I think people are used to it now. But still, I am very self-conscious. So what I found a bunch of Gymshark stuff, which I know doesn't sell for much anymore. Oh darn, I thought this was a matching set, but it's not. So one Gymshark crop top. They all look like not even worn. And then a bunch of leggings. Well, not a bunch, but three pairs of Gymshark leggings. A pair in red, a pair in gray, and a pair in olive green. And then I got these. They're called Triple Aught Design. And I just did a really quick Google search, and they were coming up in the hundreds, at least as far as retail. So they were $3.99. Everything was $3.99 that I got today, and I had a $5 off. So it ended up costing me $20 for 4 leggings and 2, here's the other Gymshark sports bra, and 2 Gymshark, one little crop top and 1 sports bra. So I think that's pretty good, because usually, even though Gymshark doesn't sell for a whole lot anymore, usually it does sell pretty quickly. So I will keep you posted on that. I might insert some of my really crappy filming that I did in there. Or I might not. I don't know, because I haven't looked at it to see how horrible it is. But so it was horrible. In fact, instead of recording video, I recorded 200 time-lapse photos. So I had to scrap that, but there will be some later. I just feel like a weirdo. I'm gonna go to one more because it's a bigger store and maybe I won't feel as self-conscious. But I don't know. Maybe like, see if you're at the bins and it would be awkward. You couldn't, well, maybe up the chest. I've got a chest mount thing too. I don't know. And then when you turn it on and off, it makes all the beepings. So that's really weird. This was a very quiet. In fact, when I left, there was absolutely nobody in the store. So I'm not going to be in there talking to myself. Anyway, hopefully I'll get better. Very rarely find good purses here. Cute table. So I need to work on my hand holding
skills because it's really bad, super shaky. I'm all over the place. And later it gets where you can't even see anything that I'm filming. So yeah, lots of room for improvement. I did pick up a couple pairs of shoes here. The music is loud, so I will talk over it. I can't remember what those were, but they weren't worth picking up. I did get some... Did I pick those up? No, I don't think so. I'm just watching here with you. Those were not a great brand. I can't remember what they were, but they were cheap and not in the best shape. Yeah, I'm on a hunt to find the brand. Mostly just shoes that were not in great condition, but I did end up picking up 3 pairs of shoes here. I picked those up. They've got a nice leather sole. I think they're just Eddie Bauer's, but they look like vintage, and they're just a dark brown braided leather. Real great condition though, and really good quality. And then I picked up those. Those are Earth something or other, but they're in great condition, and they're like just like a comfort walking shoe. So I did end up getting those. And then one more pair that I wasn't gonna get. I think they're next. No, not those. Those were not great. All the shoes here are $2.99, so even if I take them home and they're not great, I'm only out $3. So it's a great space to find shoes. I've actually found some really good shoes here, but this day, just mediocre stuff. Those have been there forever. And I know there's one more pair that's coming up. And actually, those wouldn't have been a bad pickup, those Franco Sardos, but I didn't grab those. We have still not got to the last pair that I picked up. Those, I picked those up. I cannot remember what brand they are. Anyway, I did grab those also.
So I have discovered I am really horrible at this. So this store is a little bigger, and I did do a little bit of filming, but again, I am so self-conscious. And so the music went off for a while, and so then it was extremely quiet, and quite a few people in there. I don't know. I keep thinking that they're going to come and they're going to kick me out, or I think, how do you people do this? How do people, I guess you just have to get used to it, and maybe after a while you just don't care what people are saying or thinking about you. So I'll show you what I found here. I did find a few things. Some Earth Spirit little slip-on shoes, comfort shoe. I might actually have showed you this in my video. Really good shape. And some Nina heels. They're a snake skin in like a blue-green color. Really pretty. I got... Oh. a Ballarat, Australia toothpick holder in brass. Look like some had sold for like $40 online. That's really cute. A Chico's kind of a sheer zip front jacket, brown. And now I'm self-conscious because there's people in the parking lot. This one is from the brand Quince, and it is, I think it's silk blend. It's kind of a greeny yellow silk blouse button front. I don't know why I can't resist Young, Fabulous, and Broke, because it does not sell for very much. But this is a tie-dye wrap top and a medium. And then this is just Rachel Roy, but I thought I might do a video with it because it's really nice colors, those oranges. It's a little bit cropped though, and I hate a crop top. But for a video it might work, and then I'll sell it. Maybe, that's my plan. That is the plan. This is an Athleta cropped activewear hoodie. Oh, it's starting to get hot in here. Oh, it's not a hoodie, but it's just a little activewear crop top. That's that bag. So I spent $29 at this store because I had a $10 off. And just after I had gone through the purses and I said I never find purses here, I went back and this purse was there, and it is like a nylon crossbody. The brand is called Lug, L-U-G. Camper. This is the Camper crossbody in a gray. So I picked that up. And some of these funky looking Riker anti-stress leather, a little, I don't know what you call those, a little Mary Jane. And then lastly, a pair of leather Eddie Bauer, I think these are Eddie Bauer braided brown slip-ons with a leather sole. And the shoes are $2.99, tops are $2.99. So they have great prices. Like I said, all that stuff was just $29. Which is great. I mean, shoes for $2.99. I like to pick up dresses in there, but I didn't find any dresses today. But that is what I found today. So, okay, so for a first day of trying to film, you know, not the greatest, but I have to get better, right? Because it was pretty bad. I haven't even watched it. I don't even want to watch it, but we'll see. Maybe it's still filming. It probably is still filming because I haven't really mastered how to turn it on and off and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, it's getting really hot and I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get some lunch and check out how my filming went. Okay, see ya.